How to floss DNS cast on Windows 11 or 10. First, you need to simply click on the Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type CMD in the search bar. Under Best Match, you will find command prompt. Simply you can click on Open button and open the window. Now, after that, you simply need to type the following command, that is ipconfig. So let's type in first, space, and you can type in / and floss DNS. After that, press enter. Then you will see a message saying successfully floss the DNS resolver cache. For the changes to fully take effect, you can restart your PC. Also, you can reset network settings if you have network issues. So for that, you simply need to click on the Windows search icon at bottom left and search for the settings. Open the settings panel and you can go to network and internet option. And now you need to scroll down to the bottom and select advanced network settings. And you need to simply scroll down and look for the option of network reset. Select that and you can click on reset now, and then you need to tap on the yes to confirm. Then restart your computer when prompted, and that's it. This should help resolve many network issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.